All right, every time there's a downward tick in mortgage rates, buyer demand has picked up. Purchase applications have climbed. And this has been a common trend since last year. And so the reality of it is, I want you to understand there's a lot of buyers looking to buy inventory right now. And there's a good reason for that. There's a reason why there's huge investors spending billions of dollars on investment properties to hold on to them. If we thought the real estate market was going to crash, none of these people would be buying. So just know that you got to be prepared to get into the market, and you got to be willing to bring your A game. What I mean by that is you got to be prepared to do what's best for you financially and timing, but you have to be willing to compete. There's a fight this weekend, Ryan Garcia versus Tank. We already know this. There's going to be a fight. They're going to have gloves on. They're going to go in there and they're going to duke it out. It's the same thing in the real estate market. Just don't hit anybody, please. Please don't do that. But same sort of concept. You have to win in the market. You're going to be competing with a lot of potential buyers that are first-time buyers just like yourself. So how do you stand out? That's the question everyone's always asked. Well, we got to put your strengths forward, your weaknesses behind, and we need to figure out what the seller needs, and we need to make sure that what the seller needs matches what you can do. And at the end of the day, that's a winning recipe. Have any more questions? Check out the slide. Talk to you soon.